Have you ever wondered why some older men can ignite such a deep desire in a woman that she can't stop thinking about them for days? And no, it's not because of money, appearance, or even experience. It's something much more subtle, but devastatingly powerful. It all starts with the mouth. But not in the vulgar or superficial way most imagine. I'm talking about a biological and emotional secret that very few men know: how to use their mouth to activate brain areas in a woman that no other stimulus can reach. And this is where men in their 60s have an advantage that younger men can't imitate: mindful awareness, instinctive patience, and the ability to connect with a woman beyond the physical act. Women feel it. They sense it. A mature man who knows exactly how to use his mouth doesn't just provoke pleasure, he provokes something even deeper, a bond, an emotional imprint. Now, let me be very specific. What is it exactly that you must do with your mouth in your 60s so that she prefers you, and no one else? Start before touching her. Yes, before. The true art lies in how you use your voice. A lower tone, firm yet gentle, can trigger an oxytocin release in her, that hormone that creates connection, attachment, desire. Whispering in her ear, not with empty words, but with phrases that ignite her imagination, can be even more arousing than any caress. The voice of an older man carries an emotional weight that no 30-year-old can replicate. But only if you know how to use it. The second thing you must do is to kiss, without hurry. Not like someone chasing something, but like someone revealing something. A slow kiss, with intention, with brief pauses where both your breath synchronize, can activate regions in the female brain associated with erotic anticipation. And do you know what happens when a woman feels emotionally anticipated? Her body opens. Literally and symbolically. But it doesn't end there. The tongue also has its role. Not to invade, but to explore. Men who subtly stimulate the inner edges of the lips, play with earlobes, and know how to alternate rhythm, pressure, and direction, are the ones who remain in a woman's memory even years later. It's no coincidence. It's scientifically proven that a woman's most sensitive zones are connected to neural networks that only activate under specific stimuli, and the mouth is one of the most powerful tools to awaken them. And here comes something almost nobody knows. When you stimulate certain nerve endings of the clitoris indirectly, without even touching it, through the rhythm and vibration of your breath during oral sex, you can trigger a kind of cerebral orgasm. One that doesn't require friction, but frequency. And that only a man who understands that his mouth is not just for kissing can achieve. It is a tool for emotional, energetic, sexual attunement. That's why I say a man in his 60s with wisdom can have more power than a young athlete with strength but no direction. And there is something else they don't teach you anywhere: the breath. A man's breath reflects his inner energy. A slow, warm, sustained breath near a woman's erogenous zones generates an erotic tension so strong that many shudder even before being touched. But for that, your breath must be clean, your body alkaline, your energy centered. Because if she senses chaos, she shuts down. But if she senses intention, calm, magnetism, she opens up. And now listen carefully. The most common mistake older men make is using their mouth just as a tool for physical pleasure, when in reality, it is a key to unlock women's emotional desire. A desire that doesn't fade after orgasm. A desire that transforms into admiration, connection, mental fidelity. That's why if a woman ever told you, "I will never forget you," it was probably because you did this with your mouth, without knowing the real impact you were having. Now take a deep breath. Because in part 2 I'm going to tell you the exact gestures, timing, and sequence that turn an intimate experience into something that for many women borders on the spiritual. Get ready, because this, almost nobody knows. Let's return to that intimate moment when a woman looks into your eyes, breathes more slowly, and her body relaxes. In that moment, she's already receiving your energy, even if you haven't touched her yet. And here lies the secret most ignore: the non-verbal language of your mouth. Not just what you say, but how you express intention with your jaw, your lips, even with your silence. When a man in his 60s dares to look at a woman with pure desire, no anxiety, no hurry, and then approaches calmly, his mouth becomes a magnet. It doesn't matter if you don't have full lips or perfect teeth. What matters is that every movement of your mouth is an invitation, that you convey trust, desire, and security. Women don't think it, they feel it. And then comes the act of oral sex itself. But beware, what many women remember is not what you did, but how you did it. A mature man who knows how to stroke with his tongue in slow circles, soft zigzags, strategic pauses, can lead a woman to experience a climax that is not just physical, but sensorially complete. Some call it a tantric orgasm, but you don't need mysticism to achieve it. You just need attention. Here's something many patients have confessed to me: "Doctor, I didn't know I could make her cry from pleasure until I started using my mouth the way you explained." Because when you use your mouth as an extension of your awareness, present, connected, generous, the woman drops all her defenses. That's when something is created that many men have never experienced: total surrender. And that, dear listener, is what makes her never forget you. Another key few know: the mouth can also be used for erotic pauses. Not everything is direct stimulation. Sometimes, when you stop right before her climax, look into her eyes, smile subtly, and start again from another angle, you create an effect called dopamine tension escalation. Her brain begins to associate your presence with prolonged pleasure, and that makes her addicted to you. And I want you to remember this clearly: your mouth is most powerful when combined with something most men ignore: breath control. If you can maintain slow, deep breathing synced with hers while using your mouth, your heart rhythms align. And this isn't just poetry, it's neurobiology. In that state, she enters a phase of hyperreceptivity. Everything you do in that moment is etched into her emotional memory. Do you realize the power you hold? And we haven't even mentioned medication or external products. Just your mouth, your breath, your awareness. That's why, when I say women prefer the men in their 60s who do this, I'm not talking fantasies. I'm talking about science applied with passion. Now answer me: when was the last time you used your mouth not to seduce, but to transform an intimate experience? If the answer is never, then you're about to begin a new chapter in your sexual life. And if you already do it, tell me in the comments, which gesture, which whisper, which touch of your lips made her say, "No one has ever made me feel this way"? And if you want me to prepare a full video about the most common mistakes older men make when kissing or performing oral sex, and how to fix them, let me know. This channel is for you. To reclaim that authentic masculine power that doesn't depend on age, pills, or empty promises. It depends only on your willingness to learn, improve, and be unforgettable again. Subscribe, because what's coming next is even more powerful. And your body, and she, will thank you.